And the one question these professors had for me was, how do you help students understand the difference between the historical Christ and the Christ of faith? And I said, guys, there's no difference.
That's right.
Jesus was an historical person who lived, taught, died, and rose from the dead. That is the Jesus we put our faith in, not some mythological figure who's been constructed by some religious people. And Jesus historically, physically rose from the dead. It's the whole point of Matthew 28, Mark 16, Luke 24, and John 20. He was dead, buried in a tomb of Joseph of Arimathea, not in a fictitious tomb. This was not a symbolic burial. A stone was rolled in front of the tomb, not a fictitious stone, a real stone. A Roman guard was set to make sure there'd be no hanky-panky. And 3 days later, he rose from the dead. So this whole idea that, the resurrection is just a spiritual experience that we have every spring when the flowers sprout up is absolutely absurd. It's not the claim of the Gospels. The claim of the Gospels is the dead Christ rose from the dead, and this is history. Now, what I'm so grateful for is that the Bible is the Word of God. What does that mean? It means that the Bible is God opening up and revealing, this is who I am.